Hi there, this is Fixed It. It's really annoying when you've got this VAX SlimVac cordless and you've cleaned out the inside and it's got zero suction. So I'll take out these 4 Phillips screws, and the main thing is to make sure you don't lose them. When you take screws off, check the sizes against each other, because you don't want to be trying to put the wrong screw back in. Okay, there are 4 more screws on the inside edge that need to be removed, and then there's screws around the head here that need to be removed. And now we've taken this section off, there's 2 screws and a clip. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of dust and stuff inside there, so I'm going to clear that out with my brush. And there's a screw inside the hand one on the bottom that I need to remove. What I'm going to do is use the good old-fashioned way, getting this fluff out of here, and that's to use a few pairs of tweezers. As you can see, there's dog hair and things inside. Yeah, that's all collected, that's not supposed to be there, because the filter's supposed to stop all of this from happening, but it obviously hasn't. Pull it all out. Judging on the colour, it looks like it's my dog Skippy. Skip, come on, behave. There's a neighbour. We've recently got a new dog. Can't believe how much stuff's in here. Looks like you can get this out with a pair of tweezers. You just don't got the sound effect of the dog's going crazy in the background. So I'll carry on doing this. You don't want to watch all of this, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, I've mostly cleared out that hole, and it's basically been a case of pulling this stuff out of there, which is really annoying, and I think I'm going to do a modification to this in a minute. First off, I'm actually going to put it back together. So start off, obviously the last screw that I took out was the bottom of the hand. Okay, so the Hoover's back together. Now let's see if it's got any suck. So there you go. How to fix a VAX cordless SlimVac. I hope you liked the video. Please check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.